In one of the most unprecedented moments in American political history, Donald Trump has been sentenced for a crime. But despite facing a conviction, the incoming President of the United States is walking free. The 78-year-old former president has become the first ever US president to receive a criminal sentence, but it comes with a surprising twist: an unconditional discharge. So, what does this mean for Trump, his second term, and the future of his legal battles? Let's break it down. For those following Trump's legal troubles, this sentencing marks the latest chapter in a saga that has captivated the nation. After leaving office in 2021, Trump has been embroiled in several legal challenges, but none more prominent than the hush money case. The case stems from a payment made in the final days of the 2016 election campaign. Trump's team allegedly paid adult film actress Stormy Daniels $130,000 to silence her about an affair that she claims to have had with him. In May 2024, Trump was convicted on 34 counts of falsifying business records to conceal these payments. The goal, prosecutors argue, was to shield Trump from the scandal during the critical weeks leading up to the 2016 presidential election. Despite this conviction, Trump has consistently denied any wrongdoing, asserting that the entire case is politically motivated and a part of a witch hunt against him. On January 10, 2025, Trump was officially sentenced by Justice Juan Merchan in a New York courtroom. The result? An unconditional discharge. But what exactly does that mean? Well, an unconditional discharge means that although Trump has been convicted, he will face no jail time, no fines, and no probation. In essence, it's as if he was sentenced to nothing. He's free to go. However, the conviction will remain on his permanent record, a significant mark that could affect his future. But why did the judge choose this route? Well, an unconditional discharge is a legal term that's typically used in cases where the defendant is convicted, but the judge believes no further legal consequences should be imposed. Essentially, it's a form of punishment with no additional burden. For Trump, this means that while his conviction still stands, it will not impose any direct penalties, no jail, no fines. His lawyers had pushed for this exact outcome, hoping to minimize the damage to his political ambitions. Despite the relatively light sentence, this conviction is historic for a sitting or future president. Trump is the first US leader to ever be sentenced for a crime while in office or before taking office. The decision to allow him to enter the White House again with a criminal conviction is sure to have a long-term political implication. Trump's critics see the conviction as a clear symbol of accountability, while his supporters view it as another politically motivated attack designed to thwart his return to power. But for now, Trump is free to focus on his second term as the President of the United States, set to be sworn in on January 20, 2025. Trump's victory in the 2024 election, despite the ongoing legal battles, shows that his case is far from over. While Trump will not face any jail time, fines, or probation, the conviction will stay on his record, and the legal and political ramifications shall be far-reaching. As Trump's appeal plays out, the nation watches as a sitting president navigates the complexities of legal battles while occupying the highest office in the land. Stay tuned to India Today Global as we continue to follow the developments of this unprecedented story. Bureau Report, India Today Global.